Hello friends, my name is Pawan and in this video I'll show you how to make both Fiverr buyer and a seller account in a similar process. So it is not so hard and I'll show you in a step-by-step process so that you can follow and get your own Fiverr account. So simply visit the link that I have given in the description of this video. You will reach to this page, and when this kind of interface appears, just click on join and you will get three options. You can sign up with all of these three. There will be no any problem by joining with either with Facebook or Google or your Apple, but I would suggest you to enter your own email address to sign up. It is the safest way because you can recover your password easily if you forget your password in future. Simply after entering the Gmail, click on continue and then choose a username that you can remember and then choose a password that you can remember. So it is saying 8 character, so let me make it. Okay, and then after filling these two information, simply click on join. Now it was so simple that you have already created your Fiverr buyer account. Okay, now you need to verify your Gmail. You'll receive an email like this in your in same Gmail that you have entered while creating your account. In my case it was this one. So simply click on this email and click on activate your account. You can cut all of these other things. So now your account is activated successfully. So now this is your Fiverr buyer account. Now you can buy any product and services you want to. If you want to buy, you can simply search for the service here. Okay, or what you can do is you can simply click on here and click on post a request. Okay, if you did this, then you can post a request about the need that you want to be fulfilled. You can you can post a request to hire freelancer to do your work. Okay, you can do that also. Now in order to become a seller, okay, you can see here below here it is written become a seller. You can simply click on this and you will also get a seller account within this account, so you don't need to keep on creating another account to become a seller. You can simply click on become a seller here and then you can simply click on continue. Okay, and you can read this and then click on continue, then click on continue. Now you can fill this information, your name. So these are some basic information that you can fill and then you can click on continue and you'll also get your seller account. Okay, you have completed 10%. Now what kind of services you want to provide, those things also you need to put your professional info, linked account security. These are not so vast thing. You can simply fill this information and you will also be able to get your seller account. So it is that easy to create Fiverr buyer and seller account. I hope this video was helpful for you, and please do like this video. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.